Hi, my name is Mohan. I'm a store owner of Creator Studio 99 and Creator Studio Design on Etsy, and I have a beautiful e-commerce site on our web. So today I'm going to share one thing that Etsy sent me that I got refunded for the claim that my customer claim on Etsy. Basically, I'm the star seller there, and one of the purchaser, claimed for refund after using my services. And as per the production, I, show everything to my to the sport team, and they give it to my favor as well. So he refunded the money to the customer, but as well keep that money to my end because I'm the star seller here, and I'm I was in a position that I able to get that amount to my account. So let me show you the email and we'll see from there. So as I mentioned that I got the email from Etsy that we have refunded $15 of your order. This will include full cost of the purchases plus the shipping and taxes. Since the refund was covered by the Etsy and you will keep the earning of your sale, this would not affect any of the fees and taxes you already paid for. So basically it was a digital product, and I was not it's not a shipping, and I was not doing it for as a physical product. So it was a digital product, and I do sell that go high level template which my customer has purchased. Let me show you here. Second, oh yeah, this one. So my customer had purchased this roofing service template on Go High level, but due to some circumstance, after using it, basically it is a one-click import on the Go High level account. So as long as he purchase it and import it into your account, he trying to play with me and wanting the refund through Etsy. So I have mentioned there in the chat that I don't want to refund because you already use my services, and it says you have downloaded the PDF file which includes everything that needs to be have for this purchase. So but he claimed to the through Etsy. He might want from his end, but I also want from my end because I was genuine at my end, and he was just playing with the system. And at the end I won from my end, he won from his end. So it's a win-to-win situation for both of us. But basically uh, if you're on basically on Etsy, if you have everything that is not against the policy of Etsy, you should have not worry about it. Just keep everything recorded on your account and make sure that nobody will able to do that with you in the future, so that you lose the money from your end. And just to give you an update through my account what kind of sales I have till now, it's around over $1,200, I guess. Sorry, it's around 1200k. It's not showing the real number here because when you cross 1k it stops giving you the numbers. So it will show you like 1k. When you cross 1100 it will show you 1.1k. When you will cross 1200 it will show you like 1.2k. So on my old store I'm getting a good number still. And let me show you my new store. Okay, so on the new store, I got 13 sales. The good part is I able to sell one new Go High level template here, which is a good part. It's a pool. Sorry, it's a pool product. The pool website on Go High level, and the customer purchase it through I got the message from you also that the product is he wants for the website, not for the funnel. But the good part was I have built that template on both website and the funnel as well. So I provide him the website as well. So overall the growth is good. And again, if anybody who's looking to my video and need any kind of consultation how to get success through Etsy, feel free to click the link below. I'll be there for you. Thank you so much.